In this video, I'll show you how you can fix Fortnite is not opening on your PC. The first thing you want to try is come here and go to your library, find Fortnite, 3 dots, manage, and verify the files. Once you've done that, see if it works now. If it still doesn't work, open up Task Manager, go to Details, press anywhere and press F. Look if there's a Fortnite in the background. If there is one, you want to end the task. Now if this still doesn't work, come here to open the folder. Then from in here, what you want to do is you want to find your easy anti-cheat. So go to Fortnite game, content, binaries, not content, Windows, easy anti-cheat, and then find the setup. What you want to do is right click on it, properties, and then what you want to do here is press space and type repair. Then just simply press OK and then try and launch Fortnite and see if it works. If that still doesn't work, head over to compatibility, activate these 3 and see if that works now. Now once you've done all of this, it should hopefully work. Otherwise, what you can do is come back to Fortnite game, Windows right here, go to the Windows folder, find the Fortnite client, not this one, but this one, right click, properties, compatibility, and activate these 2, apply and OK. Once you've done all of this, it should hopefully work. I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.